Hypnosis is defined as the bypassing of the critical faculty of the mind. Now, the critical faculty is this semi-permeable barrier that sits between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, and it's responsible for keeping us consistent with our beliefs. So the first and most important strategy for improving your practice is to make it a daily habit. If your self-hypnosis practice is sporadic, you're going to have problems because as far as your critical faculty is concerned, you're not a person who practices self-hypnosis. That's not who you are. So when you sit down and close your eyes and try to relax, it starts to kick up a stink. Now, this can make it very difficult for you to enter into or stay in a state of hypnosis. So if you want to get better at practicing self-hypnosis, you need to make a commitment to practice every day until it becomes a habit. Now, the easiest way to establish a habit is to schedule your practice at the same time every day. You know, most people recommend a morning and an evening practice, just break it up into 2 short periods. But I found that, you know, a mid-afternoon meditation practice or self-hypnosis practice can be a good time too. Most of us experience a kind of a dip in energy around this time, so you can take advantage of that mid-afternoon slump to take a break, and during that break, practice your self-hypnosis. Do that for a few minutes. And you'll find that it's much easier to slide into the state of hypnosis simply because your body-mind system is already ready for a rest. So instead of grabbing a coffee and a sugary snack to boost your energy, why not give yourself a little 15 to 20 minute power break? This will give you all the benefits of taking a nap without any of the grogginess, and you'll save yourself from the crash that comes after a sugar high. Now, it's been said that it takes 21 days to create a new habit, but that's not actually true. The 21-day theory is just a concept that came out of Maxwell Maltz's book, Psycho-Cybernetics. You know, it was based on the observations that Maltz made with some of his clients. But research shows that habit change is a highly individualized process. You know, it might take 7 days for one person, or it might take 21 days, or it could take 221 days. It all depends on the individual. You just have to persist until you get the results you're after. Now, the same is true when you're working with clients, but try this. Make a commitment to 60 days. Set aside a specific time every day where you're going to show up for your self-hypnosis practice and schedule it. Make an appointment with yourself. If you make an appointment, your subconscious mind will know that this is important to you. And then it's very important, once you make that appointment, keep your appointment. This is important because you're making a promise to your innermost self to spend time with it, and you definitely don't want to let yourself down. So schedule it in and then keep that commitment to yourself. You're worth it.